In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Foxly Project Prioritization for Monday.com. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly integrate and utilize Foxly to prioritize your projects effectively. So let's dive in. First, to get started with Foxly, you need to install the app. Begin by visiting the Marketplace section on your Monday.com dashboard and navigate to Apps. In the search bar, type in Foxly Project Prioritization by AppFire and install it to your account. This will allow you to access the full range of features that Foxly offers for efficient project prioritization. Once the installation is complete, you'll want to add Foxly to the specific board where you plan to prioritize tasks. Open the Integrations Apps panel on that board and proceed to add the Foxly view. This step is crucial as it creates dedicated views and dashboards within that board, specifically designed for prioritization. These views will simplify your task management process by displaying tasks based on their priority levels. After setting up Foxly on your board, it's time to select or create a prioritization template. Foxly comes equipped with built-in templates that include various metrics and formulas. You can choose one of these or opt to build a custom template that aligns with your specific needs. When creating your template, consider defining metrics that matter most to your projects, such as impact, effort, risk, and urgency. These metrics will serve as the foundation for evaluating and prioritizing your tasks. Next, you need to configure the metrics and the scoring formula. For each metric, define how you will input values, whether through dropdowns, numbers, or ratings. This flexibility allows you to assess tasks accurately. Then, you must configure how the final priority score is calculated. This is typically done through a formula that combines the selected metrics. By carefully setting up this scoring formula, you ensure that tasks are ranked according to their true priority within your project framework. Now that your setup is complete, go ahead and populate the board or Foxly view with the items you want to prioritize, such as tasks or projects. Once you've added the items, fill in their metric values accordingly. Foxly will automatically compute the priority scores based on the data you've entered and may place them in a matrix or a ranked list, giving you a clear idea of which items require immediate attention. You can enhance your prioritization process by utilizing visual tools like the Priority Matrix view, which helps you see which tasks are categorized as quick wins, high impact, low effort, and so on. This visual aid significantly aids in deciding what task to tackle first for maximum efficiency. Finally, remember that project dynamics can change. It's important to regularly review and adjust your priorities over time. As new tasks arise or priorities shift, update the metrics, rescore tasks, and reorder your work accordingly. Use your custom template to maintain consistency in your prioritization approach. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with Foxly for Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage and